through the desert at supersonic speeds, it's Decepticon Duststorm. Duststorm is another ambush hunter on the side of the bad guys. He can harness the power of sandstorms to hide himself and disrupt enemy vehicles. Duststorm transforms into an off-road hovercraft equipped with cannons for long-range combat and small wings for short bursts of flight. Posability-wise, he may look like a big old brick, but he's actually very posable. He's got some standard bowl joints in all his major joints, and even a waist swivel. He can squat, jump, roll, and do whatever he needs to take the Autobots head on. And who can resist a good superhero landing pose? Alright, so now we are speeding into the transformation segment. First thing you're going to want to do is pop open the shield, the windshield, and flip him over to untab these little bits that are tucking in his arms to his legs. And that red pin needs to stay in that little connector. You can flip the leg out now and do the same to the other side. Next up, we're going to take his waist, rotate it around, and then his head, you can also turn that around. Next, we're going to take pretty much this entire apparatus and flip it around. Yep, there we go. Whole thing turns around. Hold that onto the top of his chest, and then those just kind of sit in place, kind of help keep everything locked in. Rotate the arms around. Make sure the backpack is seated properly. Everything's in the right spot. That windshield should come up right to the base of his neck. Next, dealing with the backpack. Basically just gonna tuck it in. And then the cannons can really go wherever you want, because of course you can shoot with them in robot mode, but for storage, we're just gonna have them pointing upwards. Of course, last but not least, got to first reposition the camera. But for his arms, just tuck those little connectors away. Not the best job of hiding them, but that's okay. about it. You can fold his wings however you want, and you're done. Gave Duststorm a really cool double-barrel shotgun that I actually made for a Doom Guide mock that I made a while back, but just never uploaded it because it wasn't a Transformer. But I really like the shotgun though, so I figured Desert Ambusher probably has a couple weapons, like a shotgun and this greatsword that I created for him. It's nothing too fancy, but I like the way that it has his colors on it. You just plug that into his hand, easy peasy. And once again, he's ready to take on some Autobots.